Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Veneer 15.6-inch laptop bag. It comes in this box and which has almost no information, but inside you find this bag. This is made out of, this looks like leather but it's not. So it looks like it's made out of leather but it's not, it's synthetic leather. This is water resistant synthetic leather. And it has a lot of zips in them. There I see 1, 2, 3 zips and also a lot of handles. So there's a handle up front over here and then there are 2 handles here. There's a 4th zip at the back and also the Veneer logo right over here. And also there are these and also there's a carrying strap inside, I'm sure, because when I open this it comes out like this. There you go, there's a carrying strap. I will attach it to the other end so that you get to see what it actually looks like. So I'll attach it on this end. There you go, like this, and we're good. Now you have a full laptop bag. This is a side carrying laptop bag, not one that you sling over your shoulder. And like I mentioned, there are a lot of zips. Let's take a look at the first one. This is the smaller one. So okay, this is a tag from Veneer. So this is a very small pouch. This is good for holding, say, smaller documents like a passport or something like that. Over here you have, this is where you put the laptop in because there's a laptop sleeve over here as well. By the way, there's a padded laptop sleeve. This is good for fitting a 15.6-inch laptop. And over here you have another compartment. This is also padded for when you want to put something like, say, books or something like that. Or maybe another laptop or even a tablet should you have one. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some stuff to it and show you what it's going to look like. I have a laptop with me, a 15.6-inch laptop with me right over here. So I'm going to, okay, 1 second. There you go. I'm going to add this laptop first. There you go. Notice that there's a lot of space over here, so I will add my charger as well. Not just that, we also have my phone charger. I can put that over here as well. There you go, a lot of space. Now let's take a look at the front over here. At the front you have space for something like documents. I'm not going to put some documents, but I have a smaller notebook over here that can go in straight. And also the same can be said for stationeries and stuff, so these can go over here as well. So there you go. The 2 more zips at the back, this zip over here also can carry something like, say, a larger notebook, or maybe if you have, say, more than 1 notebook, so you can put that in here as well, like so. Unfortunately, I don't have a tablet to put in this the 4th zip, but you get the idea. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Veneer 15.6-inch laptop bag. Thank you for watching.